spinning like crazy. Look at that. That's why you should have a swivel barrel on there. Look at that. I don't know if you guys see it. It's spinning like crazy. Never learn. There you go. Yay! Finally got one. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. All right. Look at this guy. Can you see it? Yay! That was like the second cast too. And I was talking about I was definitely. All right. Look at this guy. Got him right in the corner of his mouth, right there. See that? Yeah, beautiful, huh? Yeah, man. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Oh, he jumped back up like he wanted to come back out. And I got him off this here. Let me see. I got off this here rooster tail. And I was just talking about that, man. Like, I should put a barrel, like, because it's spinning like crazy, like twisting up. But god dang, right when I said that, I caught. Yay! Let's see. And as we speak, it's still spinning. I mean, all twisted up. That's crazy, dude. You really wanted it.